Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word worries. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I have many worries about the upcoming presentation and whether I will be able to deliver it effectively. Worries refers to feelings of anxiety or concern about something, often related to potential difficulties, problems, or uncertainties in the future. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.